Hello guys, a very good evening. So today, literally, our markets have crashed. So everybody might have got panicked, right? At this time, only we need some help. So that's why we are here. Yes, our markets are crashed. But why the situation? Was it not expected? If you might have been observing our markets these days, from the past 1 week, there was tough fight between bulls versus bears. So, how will you come to know that there is some tough fight between bulls and bears? So, if you observe the daily candles that were forming in our markets, it was all doji markets, gap up opening, and then a slight profit booking. Then again, it comes to the same level just before closing of the markets. So there was tough fight between bulls and bears. So market was clueless whether to go up or down, whether to improve its levels or whether to correct. So that's when. So it. Anyways, the markets were also overvalued. It was just what it was looking for is a trigger, either positive or negative. So in the form of coronavirus strain, its mutation, there was some news which is unfortunately negative. That's why the that's why this crash. So there was some correction definitely which is imminent. We were expecting this, and when the market was forming doji candles continuously, we might be aware and we must have been careful. So it was inevitable, but nobody has expected this sort of crash. So anyways, that has happened, but what now? What to do? So literally it's like a bloodbath in our markets today. So now the $1 billion question is, what now? So shall we close all our investments and go home packing? That's not correct, right? So if you are investing, you might be aware of these fluctuations in market. So it doesn't take one single way path, right? So ups and downs do happen. So then what to do now? So what we need to do now is just watch. If you are a safe trader, just watch. Be on the sidelines, be a spectator, just observe what is happening in the markets if you are a safe trader. But if you are a risky trader, you know what to do. So all safe traders, just be on the sidelines and watch the scene and which way it goes. Just observe it. If you can learn something out of it, that's well and good. And meanwhile, if there is in the markets, if it is getting corrected, means wise investor or trader must feel that this is the time to see for value buying. So look for value buying if there is any. Even we will suggest you if there is any chance to buy, any chance for value buying. And most importantly, the crash is a result of some bad news. So most important thing is to stay safe. So stay safe, friends, and I'll come to you again with some updates and in our next video. So thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.